Einstein discovered a way to learn Italian 10 times faster and better without wasting money on books or apps. Hundreds of my students have used this method so far, and it has helped them speak Italian more naturally in just 7 days. So in this video I'm going to show you in 3 simple steps how Einstein's brain training method will turn your English thoughts into natural Italian fast. Einstein used to rehearse thought experiments in his head for hours. He imagined riding a beam of light or falling in an elevator, all to test his theories without ever leaving his chair. This isn't just a nice idea, it's backed by science. A 2013 study showed that people who mentally practice piano scales improved almost as much as those who physically practiced. Athletes use the same techniques to win races. Polyglots use it to learn faster, and you too can use it. Einstein's powerful technique, rehearsing scenarios in your mind, is undoubtedly one of the most effective tools you have for Italian fluency. When you vividly imagine yourself speaking Italian, not reading, not listening, but picturing yourself confidently, ordering an espresso in Rome or chatting with a local, your brain treats it like a real experience. And here is the best part. Your brain does not need you to be fluent to start. It just needs you to start imagining fluently. So how do you apply Einstein's mental rehearsal to your Italian learning? Next time you are alone, try these 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Choose a scenario. Pick one real-life moment. Ordering a coffee, asking directions, buying train tickets. Don't write it out. Visualize it happening. See the barista smile, fill the cup, hear your own voice saying "Vorrei un caffè, per favore." Let your brain walk through the whole scene, smooth, confident, and even playful. The more vividly you rehearse in your mind, the more fluently you will speak when it counts. Step number 2. Play it in your mind. Don't just watch the scene like a movie. Step into it. Use first-person simulation. That means imagining it from your own eyes, not as a third-person viewer. Picture your mouth forming the words, your voice speaking the phrases, your Italian flowing, even if it's a bit clumsy. You don't need perfect grammar or speed. The goal is to train fluency in your mental world, so it starts flowing in the real one. Step number 3. Add gestures and emotion. Now bring your whole body into it, even just in your mind. Mentally smile, use your hands, and natural poses, rhythm, emotion. Feel the social energy of a real conversation. Why? Because when your simulation includes emotion and movement, you activate more brain regions, including those used in real-life conversation. You are building muscles memory without moving a muscle. Now, this is optional. Speak it out loud. When you are ready, replay the same scene, but this time speak. Say the words out loud. Whisper them if needed. This turns mental fluency into real confidence and voice control. Even if you only remember 2 or 3 phrases, say them like you mean them. Einstein once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." When it comes to learning Italian, he was right. The more vividly you imagine speaking, the more fluently you speak in real life. Because fluency isn't just built in grammar drills, it's built in your mind. If you are ready to stop translating and start thinking in Italian, download your free Einstein's Italian method below and watch this video next that will show you how to make it stick. And remember, stick to Italian and Italian will stick to you. Ciao!